Hey guys, it's Jenny. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm just going to vlog my day. Sorry, my room is a mess. Yeah, kind of woke up late. I have a meeting with the educational committee this morning, and it's 6:41, and it's at 7:30, and I have to get the baby ready, and I have to what do you call it? Get her ready, get her to daycare, then I have to go to work. Let me show you, sorry. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, baby. Say hi. Good morning. All right, so I'm just gonna get her ready. She's a good morning person. Look at her face. What are you doing, mommy? Can you say hi? There you go. It's okay. I'll get you more. Are you gonna show them Moana? Is that Moana? Moana, her twin. She absolutely loves Moana. So Moana. Good morning, Moana. Yeah. All right. So let me set this down. Get her ready. Get out of this house. And yeah. Anyway, so what we're meeting about today, actually let me take this, we have been focusing on heparin, receiving the orders, well, mostly the errors in calculation and programming heparin. So that's pretty much our first project. So we had the pharmacist look at, yes baby, we had the pharmacist look at some common errors, and we're going to review all of the educational material that's been created so far, and then we're going to finalize our teaching approach so everyone that's tackling the heparin education will be teaching heparin all one way. So that's the plan for today in regards to work. And then I have my WebEx class tonight, which is 8 p.m. and I am going to study and listen to all the lectures. It's kind of getting close to the exam, so I'm starting to know what else can I do? How many times can I read the PowerPoints? How many times? I don't know. I'm going to try and find some practice questions somewhere, because not having that, I can't tell. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Okay. I know the wipes are cold. I know. She does not like cold wipes. What you gonna do? Yeah, so, and I have a really exciting video. I don't know if it'll be up by the time you guys watch this one. Bless you. But it's my weight loss transformation journey, and that video really, I hope it just helps motivate me. The biggest thing, help motivate me, because this past weekend, or this week, I've just been eating still low carb keto food. It's just I've been eating a lot more of it. So I do resort to food when I'm stressed, and then realizing, because I feel like I'm just now getting tested. It's very recent, and school just started, so I haven't had to deal with, okay, I have to put clothes on you, and you can't hold Moana when I'm doing that. So anyways, I've just been getting tested, and I'm feeling a difference already, so I need to cut it out and eat less and keep to my routine that I've worked so hard on. Why is it so hard? Why is stress so hard? Anyways, what bird is that? What bird is that? A pelican. Pelican. Can you say pelican?
Papa.
Yeah, you got it.
Papa.
Yeah. It's a pelican. I was like, I have not seen a pelican. The last time I think I saw a pelican was on a Fruit Loop box. I don't know. Alright, let's hope this outfit fits a little better. his hair. You're looking at the camera. Don't show mama's goodies. Hey, girl. I know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, can you let go of mommy like that? Thank you. We're done. Mwah. All right. So, let's get you some shoes. Shoes. Do you want to rock your Crocs today? I don't even know. Shoes. Shoes. I don't know what to put you in. How about our gray sneakers? A pelican and a cat. Not today. Not today. All right, you ready? The smirk you have going on. It's so funny. Okay, I'm going to put this down, pack us up. Dance, 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 dance. Uh-oh. No more dancing? So, just got everyone, well, me and her, in the car. Realized it was trash day. Took the trash out. I'm now heading to daycare. 7:09. I'm gonna be late. Anyways, I'm still contemplating on how to do the study with me videos. I don't know, maybe I'll check a couple out on YouTube and get inspired, because I don't want it to be like staring at me trying to make sense of it all, and it's not like a two-way conversation. It's more like me talking to myself. Does that make sense? I don't know. All right. Yeah, I've been getting like no sleep. I can't say that. I've been getting less sleep. So I go to bed normally around 11 to 12 now because of schoolwork, and then I wake up 5 if it's a work day, and then if it's just me an off day, then I most likely wake up around 6. And it's all just to get some quiet time to study, either study before work, so I at least reviewed something that day. Whenever it's slow at work or lunchtime, I also read my notes. Yeah. So I'm trying to keep it together. Yeah. So I can say yeah? Yeah, we're trying to keep it together. All right. That was rough. She sometimes does good walking in and plays with everyone else, and other times she looks at me like, don't leave me. But the teachers are good about like distracting her, and sometimes they give her extra cuddles as she adjusts. Yeah, I'm running late. I can't even get Starbucks before this meeting. Like, I'm like, is it worth it to be late? I mean, I'm gonna pass by there anyways. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Starbucks or no Starbucks. So of course, always Starbucks. Is this only me that jeopardizes being late just to get some Starbucks? I don't think so. This song has been distracting me. Don't know why. It's by Queen Naija. It's crazy. Alright guys, so I just finished the education committee meeting. We made some really good progress on our approach in terms of learning the material and preparing to educate the rest of the staff. So glad it did go a little longer than I expected, and I'm at Staples right now to go check out another planner. Who needs another planner? I'm just procrastinating. I need to go back and start studying, especially all the case studies. So there's about 20 pages worth of case studies from week 1 and week 2 that could be referenced in the exam, and I totally forgot that she pulls information and questions from case studies. And the rough part about this case study demonstration is it's 2 hours of someone just talking, reading something they typed, and it's like, I can read this on my own. There's no like teaching or educating unless it's like a side bit that she like throws in here and there, and that's the frustrating part, because we're just obviously we're muted and we're just staring at the screen listening to someone talk, and it's really hard to follow from beginning to end on each particular case study. So now I have to go home, download all of the information for the case studies from each group, and then review that and try and learn more. So it's a bummer. I'm glad I caught it a week before though, because I would have been stressed having taken the exam and then realized that I should have reviewed the case study. So now I need to focus on that. Yeah, so right now my video with my weight loss journey just became live. It's so nerve-wracking, and I text my friend and was like, I am being bold, and I'm really hoping that it motivates people, but it also motivates myself to keep up with it. But right now I'm having those like regrets, like, should I have posted that? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna check out Staples real quick, and then I'll be heading home to study. You know, what I do all the time. All the time. All the time. Alright, so we checked out the planners. I think it'll work. It's small. I was not a fan of the print. And yeah, I'm not a fan of the print. So I will be ordering online from Erin Condren, and I think it just feels funny not using an Erin Condren, because that's what I got through my ADN and a little bit of my BSN with. And then I've been doing other planners. It's just like I mentioned, I need something that has everything pre-printed, both a weekly view as well as a monthly view, because of all of these dates, and then that's how I plan out what I am focusing on that day. And it's been a little difficult to see it all laid out because I have to flip through 2 different planners or notebooks to get that picture. So now I need just something, just one book to look at, and then I can always use my Bujo for my lists. And yeah, so because I've been printing so many papers, all I have is the little baby mini size staplers. It's not cutting it. So then I got this little guy for $2. It was at like the checkout area, so, and I was about to pay $10 for another one, but I just need something bigger, and it seems like it's weighted. We'll see how the $2 stapler works. Yeah, I don't want to go home and study. I'd rather go out shopping. Yeah, shopping's always fun. Okay, look at those big puffy clouds. Maybe I'll study outside on my hammock chair. I can do that. Pretend like I'm enjoying the day with my head in the books. Yeah, let's do that. Hi, Bailey. I might set up over here, kind of clean some of this area off. Normally I study over there, but maybe I need a big table today. Yeah, my plants are dying. Alright, so I've just been reviewing a couple PowerPoints. I'm going to start reviewing some case studies, but this is, I guess, my plan. I've kind of rewrote key stuff from the PowerPoint, and so this is my second half that I am about to print. And I'm hoping I can just kind of flip through all of this as I prepare. Man, that's tiny. Can you see that? So anyways, I ended up copy pasting this, and this is what I love about GoodNotes. Copy pasting these two, well, all of them, over here, and just kind of made them bigger. So, yep, that's the plan. Oh, and I found this really cool app. I'm not sure if you can see. So you have choices. So I always listen to white noise. So this is ocean, rain, calm, stream, wilderness, and I normally use the stream noise as my background when I study. And I put some pictures. All right. Ooh, look at that. Stress and adaptation. What I feel like I know all about. My body is definitely trying to balance everything. Homeostasis, people. Homeostasis. And I hope I don't get to the exhaustion phase, but that's exactly what I feel like. All of this. So I have another 10 pages front and back that need to be printed and added to the sky. So I'm about to go pick up Sarai and come home, do bath time, eat dinner, and then her bedtime is at 7:30, which is awesome because it gives me 30 minutes to get her situated since my WebEx class starts at 8 p.m. So it's very important that the night goes smooth because I will be on this WebEx from 8 to 10, and it's not one of those things where I can just leave it up and not pay attention to, because if there are any questions on the case study portion that I contributed to, I need to be available to be able to explain and support my answers. So yeah, let's go pick up the baby. We are back. We're gonna get the baby inside, bath time, dinner, and hopefully get her down by 7:30. So another hour and 15 minutes, and then I'll prepare for my class, and that'll probably wrap up this vlog. So Ryan's eating dinner. I'm about to make some coffee. Eat. Yay. Alright, so I just finished making my coffee. I didn't put any butter in it. And now I'm just putting some of this whipped foam topping. I only put 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and this is kind of like my home coffee. This is my study corner. I normally set my laptop right on top of that, put my headphones on, and that's where I do my WebEx class. My cubby just has some stationery, some pens, markers, anything that I may need while I'm taking notes during the actual WebEx. Bath time. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You ready for Nene?